How to use the WordPress Toolkit within cPanel to update your website. This is part 4. So today we're going to talk about using the WordPress Toolkit in two ways. One, to simply update your website, and second, to use the Smart Update feature within the WordPress Toolkit. So let's begin. Let's start by checking for updates. It looks like we have quite a few updates to complete. We have the WordPress core and plugins. The restore point option will allow us to recover if we run into any problems. Let's go ahead and select all the updates and then update. So first, the WordPress Toolkit will go ahead and update the plugins for us, create the restore point, update the website, and then check for any issues or errors. Looking good. So that's all there is to updating the WordPress with the WordPress Toolkit. So now we're going to try something a little bit more advanced. We're going to get into the Smart Update option. Now the Smart Update option allows us to update WordPress, well, a lot smarter. So let's check our auto update settings. So currently, by default, the auto update settings are off, so let's turn them all on. And then of course let's enable the Smart Update feature. Smart Update is a pretty good feature in that it allows you to update your WordPress, and it does a lot of things automatically for you. It clones the website for you, and then it'll update everything, and then you give you an opportunity to verify that everything's working the way you expect it to. So let's go ahead and start. Lots of stuff to update. So let's update everything and get started. Now first, Smart Update feature is going to clone the website so that we can recover if we need to. And then it will check to see what the website looks like before we start the updates. And then we'll work through the updates. And then check, see what the website looks after we update. This is pretty cool. All right, so this is what the website looks before on the left and after on the right. Everything's looking great, no errors. No PHP errors, warnings, notices. Looking good. So I think I'm ready. Let's go ahead and apply the updates. All right, so applying the updates actually is applying the updates after we verified everything's working without error. And here we go. So just like in the first try, where we did the updates and had a restore point, this is essentially doing much the same, except it's doing it in a smarter way. All right, let's see what it looks like. Excellent. And that's all there is to it. So in the future, as you use the WordPress Toolkit, you'll find that you have two different options. One is the old option that allows you to update WordPress by starting the process with a restore point. And the other is a Smart Update feature, which gives you the ability to check the website before you actually run the updates. Both cool features.